Assad regime fell in Syria and the NASDAQ composite broke 20,000 for the first time. What a week it was. Welcome to Spot the Market, our weekly analysis by MPA up to the 13th of December. So, interesting week with the Assad regime falling in Syria and opening new geopolitical questions. Moody's downgraded France credit rating, and at the market, both the Dow Industrial fell 1.8% and the S&P 500 by 0.6%. The NASDAQ was slightly up 0.3 for the week. In terms of weekly winners and losers, mainly commodities, natural gas, NYMEX crude and gasoline were up for the week, and long-dated treasury were down by 4.5%. There was a very big jump on 10 years treasury yields as inflation numbers came a little bit hotter than expected. In terms of year-to-date performance, the Bitcoin is up there, up 144%, NASDAQ by 33%, gold 27%, S&P by 27%. If we look at the equity sector, global communication services is up by 35% year-to-date, followed by global tech and financials up by a bit less than 30%. Interesting to see that global materials is the only equity sector down year to date. A look at stocks by almost 6% as lawmakers are seeking to break up pharmacy benefit managers. Other stocks in this sector fell. Walgreens Boots Alliance was up by 18% as it is in talks to sell itself. Remember that shares have fallen nearly 7%, 70% so far this year. Oracle and Alphabet. Oracle stock fell by 6.7% after disappointing results, whereas Google was up by 5.3% as Alphabet said that its Google unit on Monday unveiled a new state-of-the-art quantum chip named Willow. General Motors stopped after nearly 10 years and 10 billion of development. The Cruise program, which is the robot taxi, after significant investment made of competition and costs related to this. Nvidia shares were down by 2.6% as Beijing's anti-monopoly regulator said it was investigating the US chip-making giant. We know that this falls within the China-US tariff wars, so it is an ongoing issue, and we anticipate more of this in 2025. Warner Bros. Discovery was up by 15% as it is into restructuring itself into operating division. If we look at this week's, on Tuesday, the Census Bureau reports retail and food service sales for November. On Wednesday, we had Micron Technology results, followed by FedEx and Nike on Thursday. And then on Wednesday, we will have the Federal Open Market Committee announces its monetary policy decision and release the quarterly summary of economic projections. On Friday, we have the Bureau of Economic Analysis releases the Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index for November. Keep following the Academy. This is the penultimate Spot the Markets episode. We have a ton of initiatives coming 2025 with the outlook for the markets, many guests. You can follow our activities on our socials and you can join our internship. That's all for me. All the best. Thank you so much.